Good morning, and welcome to another episode of Dance Running. I'm not barefoot this morning because I'm on the road, but I just wanted to say good morning. And just because you're not on the beach doesn't mean that you can't participate in the new exercise that's sweeping the nation. This is the second video, dance running. It's gonna catch on. It's gonna be the greatest thing ever. Because why would you want to walk when you can dance? Why would you just plain old run when you can dance? Just dance. Just be crazy and dance. And it's better exercise. And you look more awesome doing it. And people smile. And you smile. And it's a wonderful morning. It's a wonderful morning for dancing. So just do some dance running. I haven't brushed my teeth yet today. So that's all. Lila hum, moving into freedom, doing some dance running, having a wonderful, beautiful morning. Look around. Nature, nature, nature. Get out in it. Enjoy it. Take your socks and shoes off if you're in the dirt. And have a good day. Peace.